My cat and my dog, they run around all day, chasing butterflies in their own little way. Never thought I'd see them play side to side, but now they're best friends, they ride or die. I see them sharing food, sleeping on the floor. My dog guards the door, my cat wants more. They used to fight for space, now they cuddle tight. Two little hearts glowing in the night. My cat and my dog love each other like sister and brother. They follow one another, never leaving the other. My cat and my dog love each other. Yeah, they're made for each other. They walk in the house like they own the place. My dog wagging his tail, my cat full of grace. Sometimes